on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can cut PC and to import the audio file. You can just head to the media, click on the local, and now you'll just need to click on this import button. Then you can just select the media source. You can just select the audio file that you want to add or import to the CapCut PC. Click on open. Okay, just like that, the audio file will be imported to the CapCut PC, and to add it to your track, you can just click on this plus icon, like that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to comment, subscribe, click on the thanks, and click on the thumbs up icon. Bye!